I got a bunch of beets from my garden this year, and so I'm preparing them for many different things. I've got soup planned, I've got pickled beets planned, relish, all kinds of things, but I need to get the peel off. So the way that I'll do that is, first I washed all of my beets and I cut the tops off, leaving about an inch. You can leave as much as 2 inches. Then I placed it in a large pot and filled it with water. I like to make it about 4 inches above the beets because these will be cooking for a while since I have a number that are large like this one. An optional step is to add just a little bit of salt to your water. I like to do, for a pot this big, I'll probably do 2 tablespoons worth. And then I'll put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Good thing I lift weights. It took a couple of hours, but the beets are nice and soft now. So I'll remove them from my pan. Being careful not to burn myself because that steam is nice and hot. I then spread my beets out on a pan and allow them to cool. The first thing you'll want is to wear gloves because if this beet juice gets on your hands, it's really hard to get off. And then it's just amazing how fast this comes off. So that was a little one. Let me show you with one of the big guys. I mean, the roots just come right off, the skin comes right off, even the top should just slide right off. And then you have a perfect beet. It's really one of those kind of oddly satisfying things to do. And this is just a project that goes really, really fast. Sometimes when I first start, I think, oh man, this is gonna take a really long time. And it does take a while to cook them to this point, but once you get there, this is no problem. As you can see, skinning beets under the proper conditions are super easy. I think it only took like 5 minutes for me to do all of these.